Hello, guys. Today we are taking a look at the newly released Redmi Note 7 phone. Late last year, Xiaomi President Lin Bin teased an upcoming phone with a 48-megapixel camera. And today the company has revealed it in full. Despite the eye-catching headline spec, it's turned out to be a product under the entry-level Redmi brand called the Redmi Note 7. First, let's unbox it. I gotta say the whole packaging is a whole lot different now, not in red anymore. You can also see the number 18 on the top left corner. That means the warranty for Redmi is 18 months. Thumbs up for that. Open the box. First we see the transparent phone case, a manual, and then is the Redmi Note 7. Check out the sound. How cool is that? In addition to those, we also have a 10-voltage charger and a USB Type-C cable. That's all. Design-wise, it looks very similar to Xiaomi's smaller, low-cost Mi Play announced a few weeks back, with a circular display notch, a back panel with colorful gradients, a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, and rear-facing dual cameras, one of which uses that much-vaunted 48-megapixel image sensor and an f1.8 lens, the other of which is 5 megapixels and used for depth information. The camera can take photos with its 48 million tiny 0.8 micron pixels in good lighting, or combine neighboring pixels for what's claimed to be the equivalent of a 12-megapixel photo taken with larger 1.6 micron pixels. At half an inch across, the sensor is physically quite a bit larger than what's typically found in smartphones, which should give it strong light-gathering capability. Elsewhere, the Redmi Note 7 has a 6.3-inch 19.59 1080p screen, a Snapdragon 660 processor, a 13-megapixel selfie camera, a 4000 mAh battery, USB-C charging, and a headphone jack.